Struggling to figure out how to study for the H ASCP technologist in hematology exam? You're not alone. Many smart lab professionals fail this exam, not because of knowledge gaps, but because they study the wrong way. They read endlessly but never retain. They practice too late. And they walk into test day unprepared for what really matters. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to study for H ASCP exam step by step. And near the end, I'll share one overlooked exam day fact that can save your score. Welcome to MLSIAcademy. We're the global leader in ASCP certification prep. Our entire mission is helping lab professionals like you pass with confidence. So if you're chasing ASCP success, this channel is built for you. Here's what you'll learn today: how to structure your daily study routine, how to use active study techniques that make knowledge stick, how to practice with questions the right way, and how to prepare yourself mentally and physically for exam day. This is the proven system for studying smarter, not harder. Let's start with daily routine. The biggest mistake students make is inconsistent study. They study hard for a week, then stop for days. That breaks momentum. Instead, set a clear schedule and stick to it. Study at the same time each day. Morning sessions are best, before work drains your focus. Consistency trains your brain to learn faster. Now let's talk about study length. Here's a myth: short daily bursts are always best. For the H ASCP exam, longer sessions actually work better. 4 hours in one sitting beats 2 hours across 2 days. Why? Because longer sessions help you connect concepts, see patterns, and practice differential thinking. That's exactly what hematology questions test you on. Next study method. Reading is not enough. Passive reading gives you the illusion of learning. But during the exam, your brain goes blank. The solution is writing. Use pen and paper. Rewrite key concepts. Summarize topics in your own words. Writing engraves knowledge into memory far deeper than reading. Here's another strategy: active recall. Instead of rereading, close the book and test yourself. Ask questions. Write what you remember. Then check against your notes. This strengthens long-term memory and prepares you for the pressure of the exam. Now, let's cover question practice. This is where many students mess up. They wait until the last month to try practice questions. That's a huge mistake. You should practice questions from day one. After finishing each topic, test yourself immediately. Use QBanks and track your scores. Aim for consistent improvement. Your target is 85% or higher before you're ready to book. Next, let's talk about timing. When should you book your exam? Never too early. The ASCP Board of Certification may take up to 45 days to process approval. So use that window to refine your study. Book only when you're consistently hitting your target scores in practice and mock exams. Exam center prep is another overlooked detail. Your H ASCP exam will be run by Pearson VUE. Once you're approved, you'll schedule online. Visit your test center before exam day. Know exactly where it is and how long the trip takes. That way, nothing throws you off on the big day. Now let's shift to mental and physical prep. Your brain is sharpest when your body is cared for. That means proper sleep and diet. Sleep before 11 p.m. in a dark room. This maximizes melatonin and brain recovery. Cut refined sugar, which causes brain fog. Fuel with brain foods like eggs, salmon, broccoli, nuts, and yes, dark chocolate. Supplements like omega-3 and B12 can help too, but they're no replacement for good habits. Let's get to exam day strategy. The night before, review lightly, but don't cram. Sleep well. Book your slot early in the day, ideally morning. Arrive hydrated and calm. And remember, you may see up to 10 questions outside the syllabus. These are survey questions. They don't affect your score. Don't panic, just move on. Thousands of lab professionals have studied this way and passed. And at MLSIAcademy, we've built everything you need to do the same. Live classes, recorded lessons, study guides, and QBanks at dash.mlsiacademy.com. This is the system that works. Let's recap. How to study for H ASCP exam comes down to 4 keys. 1. Set a consistent study schedule and stick to it. 2. Study actively with pen, paper, and recall techniques. 3. Train early and often with Q banks until you score 85%. 4. Prepare your body and mind with good sleep, diet, and exam day habits. Do this, and success is predictable. If you're ready for more, explore our prep resources at MLSIAcademy. And don't forget to subscribe, because in our next video, we'll unpack the best way to study for ASCP exam in even more detail. That video will cover specific subject breakdowns and advanced study hacks. You're closer than you think to becoming ASCP certified. Stay focused, study smart, and I'll see you on the other side with a passing score.